Hold my beer. Watch this. All right, guys, welcome back to the Hold My Beer channel. I'm your host, Worldwide Crum. I'm going to take the opportunity to say thank y'all. I appreciate y'all, all 417 subscribers. If you're the first time watching it, I appreciate you. Please think about subscribing, thumbs up, comment. Let's go. So today, guys, what we're doing is I've heard from some of my friends that the most difficult cut of chicken is the chicken breast. So I'm going to give you guys some tips on how to do it, make it very moist, tender, because I think that's what really drives it away from people is they can't make it, it's dry for them. But we're going to give you guys a whole bunch of insights, tips. It should be 5 or 6 tips, and that's what we're going to do. Let's go. First tip, guys, if you can brine or marinate your chicken breast, that will help you a whole lot in the process. Second thing you can do, all right, bring your chicken breast up to room temperature. All right, so you're not putting cold meat on a hot smoker, grill, or anything. Third tip, if this is a barrel smoker, but some people might not have that. I call it Walmart Willie, but y'all know what I'm talking about, a little small grill or whatever. Put your charcoals indirect and then put your meat source as far away from it as you can. Third thing you need to do, make sure you're venting. You want to see smoke. Smoke is good. All right? Smoke is good. Something else you need to do is make sure you ash over your coals. All right? Nobody likes that gasoline smell or taste on it. All right? Let it mash over, guys. All right? Don't rush. Okay? If you're in a rush to do barbecue, you're on the wrong plan, Jack. All right? It ain't gonna work for you. All right? Next thing you need to do, bring up your smoker or grill or whatever up the temp. See how I'm going? I'm climbing. I'm probably gonna hit 225 thereabout. After you do that, okay? Again, it was cheaper and more economical for me to buy a whole cut up chicken. Yes, because the food prices are insane. So instead of buying 4 chicken breasts for $14, I bought a whole cut up chicken for $10 and I still get 2 breasts. Hey, it's gonna work. All right. So now, something else you want to do, guys, is season your meat. Okay? And put some type of binder on it. Olive oil, vegetable oil, mustard, preferably season up real good. All right? Because this is a big cut. This is the biggest part of your chicken. Then you're gonna go right over wherever your coals are right now. Okay? Y'all stay with me. Wherever your coals are, y'all hear that sound? That's the sound you want. Now, your smaller pieces of chicken or whatever, we're gonna go over here by our smokestack. In case some of you guys don't understand or don't know, this is a smokestack. Wherever your smoke comes out at, all right, that's your smokestack. If you have a little grill or whatever, it's probably gonna be in the middle, but that's what we're doing. Take our thighs, and if you guys are really paying attention, you see I'm going from my biggest, densest piece to my smaller pieces, right? So everything will end up and cook at the same time. So you don't have some people there looking at you, well, I don't have no chicken. No, that's how you do it, guys, all right? That's how you do it. And even though it's a beautiful day down here in Florida, Jenny Crumb's freezing her behind off.
I am freezing.
I can see it in her face. Hey man, but guess what? This is what barbecue's all about, man. you know, fun, family, and everything. You know, take our last wing off over here in the wreck. Now, again, the bell of the ball, the star of the show, is the breast. I'm trying to show you guys how you can really make very good chicken breast. Now, we've done it on that side. We'll turn it over. See how it's kind of seared in a little bit? See how it's kind of seared in a little bit? All right. Now, what you're going to do It set it down, shut it down. The skin's crisp up on this side. You're gonna keep watching the video. All right, keep watching the video, and then we're gonna give y'all the rest of the tips on how to make the best piece of chicken you've ever had without even thinking about it. Worldwide Crum, hold my beer. Let's go.
Ooh. Yeah, that's how you say it, baby.
Ooh, y'all see it dripping, leaking. Another tip: get your drip pan. You know, so as it's leaking, you know the fat's dripping down. It'll warm back up and give you more moisture to make sure your breasts are good. You guys, you can do this. Trust me, it's very simple. So anyway, we're gonna see here. I'm supposed to be doing a lot of things right now, but I'm looking at this right here, and I think I'm about to eat some of this. All right, lay around for it. Let's go, guys. Thumbs up. All right, guys. So now we're back at it. We're gonna roll it up. Our drip pan is dripping. Everything is going. Look at that. Look at that.
That looks yummy.
Look at that. Here. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh. I'm gonna turn that one around. I'm gonna cut into that one. You know, nice smoky. Trust me, it's not burnt or anything. It's just this is just goodness. Last thing I'm gonna show you guys to do that will help with presentation and also with taste. Put a little bit of butter on there. So now that everything's melted down, you've done all the steps. Let's cut into it. Let's see. Let's cut into it. Look at that. Nuggets of. Make it do a dance now. Okay. Look at this. All the way done. Nice buttery goodness. Love y'all. Hold my beer. Now that you follow all the steps to get your chicken breast done, guys, last thing you want to do, maybe get you a little bit of butter. A little bit of butter. This is homemade butter from us, y'all. It's gonna help it glisten a little bit, and it's gonna provide an extra punch to it. We will do a video on how to make your own homemade butter. It's very simple, very easy. All right. Yeah, there's 2.0 right here, and so he's ready. So let's see what we.
That's a hot son.
Keith explained that shortly after receiving the call from urgent care, he finished work at the
nice smoke ring, nice everything. It's hot now. Okay, it's done though. All right, and this is something you can achieve in like an hour and 15 minutes. So a very quick, easy meal, guys. And if you cannot follow it, rewind the video. Rewind the video. Thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. All right, and we'll do it. Let's go. Hold my beer. Worldwide Crum 2.0. Jack's Balloon Decor.